Hello, I would like to talk about the Roll Spline Solver, because this solver sometimes it's a little tricky to configure, but it's very easy. So sometimes you have this this leg here, and you have this. Let me put here like a more. I'm not the right place, and roundness. Okay, so you have this, but sometimes the orientation of these deformers, you expect that it's gonna be something, and for any reason it's slightly different from the left side and the right side. So there are like some offsets there, and let me put this also. And the reason because it's happening is because the precision on the Roll Spline Solver. So let's come here and select one of these, and I'm just gonna graph it quickly to find the solver. So first I graph the first input, that it's a matrix multiplication from the locator, that this is the locator who contains or who has the input for the Roll Spline kinematic solver, that it's here. So this solver, if I double click and we open the attributes editor, we can find some input matrix raw data here, but the most important is at the bottom, the subdivision. So this subdivision, it's the precision that we have on this plane. So it's I'm gonna take my little pen here, my Wacom, and okay, it's a little laggy, but okay. So I have here a little explanation. So basically what we have, this is the, let's say this is our spline curve, and for each step of the curve we have a little straight line. So we can define this is one straight line, this another, and we have here our deformers or locators. So if we have like for example 10 subdivisions, it's gonna be faster because you process less information, but at the same time maybe this is, let's say this is the left side and this is the right side if we see from the side view. So this locator is gonna end up in a different straight line, because you can see here the axis is this is one direction and this is the other direction. So because this flip construction, maybe it's gonna be slightly offset one on the other, so you can have little like difference. And what the hell is this? Do you want to change the color scheme? No, thank you. Oh, come on, sorry for that. So okay, so let's put 10 here. Okay, let's 3, and yeah, you can see here this popping slightly. So if we have this difference, it's not gonna be aligned exactly the same. Even the direction is different, but the alignment is always the same. So you can just crank this up and you will have the same rotation in both sides. So that's the most important part that you need to remember. And just for the sake of demonstration, you can also slide your deformers after, so you can see if I do it quickly where is going this spline. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for listening, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.